Hello guys, today we analyze GBPUSD. So GBPUSD it's going to uptrend right now. See, this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we are looking for new higher high. Okay. Now we draw the trend line first. See, this is higher low, higher high, and this is higher low. Now we draw the Fibonacci A to B, last higher low to higher high. And this is the retest level, 61% of. This is the retest level where the market retest again, because it's already retest, but we are waiting for retest again. And stop loss is 88% and target is 37% of Fibonacci. Okay, see, we are waiting for the retest here and the target is 27 and we are enter the trade here after some confirmation entry. My stop loss is 88% of Fibonacci. If you are new here, please follow my channel. Thanks for watching.